In this video, I will show you how to post a video on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and hover over your name where it says manage account. Give it a click and that's going to bring up a small menu like this. Then what you want to do is click onto view my profile at the top, and once you're on your profile, this is going to be what it looks like. If you actually scroll down a bit and towards the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see some options down here. Now what you need to do is click onto videos, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. And to actually post a video in Steam, the first thing you need to do is link your YouTube account. So if you come up to here, you can see there's an option to link YouTube account. Give it a click and that's going to open up a screen like this. And what you need to do is click the green button where it says access your YouTube videos. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the sign in screen. So you just want to sign in with your Google account or your YouTube account here. And once you've done that and logged in, it's going to automatically select link your videos. So what you need to do now is choose a video that you want to add. For example, let's take this one here, and what you can do is add it to your profile. You can also associate the video with a game. So if it's a video related to a certain game, what you can do is click onto the drop down box here and select from your list of installed games. So it's not related, but for example, let's take Call of Duty. And then what you can do is click the add video button. As you can see, it says successfully added one video, but of course there is a check mark next to each video. So you can just repeat this for as many as you want. Now, once you've done that, what you can do is if you actually come back to your profile and then click onto videos, you will now see that the video has now been added. Sometimes it takes a minute or two for that to be processed through, but that is how to post a video on Steam. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.